Hi guys, today we've got your CUBOT X70 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone the other. Then go to keypad and now we can enter the first code, which is *pound, 06 pound. As you can see, this short code will provide you with device information so you can smoothly get access to IMEI and serial numbers. Tap on OK to exit. And another code you can use here is *pound, 426 pound *. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode where you can check status and events. If you want to explore it a bit more, if you want to get a bit more knowledge, tap on more icon and select advanced view. So here you've got it. And the third code that I would like to share with you today is *pound, 225 pound *. And as you can see here, we've got the calendar info. So all upcoming events from every calendar that you have connected with this device would be displayed right here. You will not forget about any upcoming event. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.